Shortcut batches are one of the best way to show your app's unread messages and notifications. Like this for an example. In today's video, we're gonna see how you can implement these shortcut badges in our Android application. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification when we upload more content. You have to go to this website, and in this website you will find the dependency of the shortcut badger that we're gonna use to create our badge, and it supports many Android devices and launchers. So to implement this, we're gonna simply copy the dependency, and in your Android project go to the build.gradle file, module app in its name, paste this dependency and sync your project. Wait for some time and make sure you have internet connection available. After synchronization is finished, we can add it in our Android app. So in our activity, I'm gonna use a linear layout instead of this constraint layout. You can use whatever layout you want. And give a gravity of center. We're gonna add a button here within height and width wrap content. We'll give this button text show badge, and we also need to give this an ID to find it in our Java code. I'm gonna simply call it button. So in this app, when the user click this button, we're gonna show an shortcut badge. But in your case, you can always add other methods to show this badge. Now in our Java file, first we need to initialize our button and assign it to its following ID. So button is equal to find view by ID art.id.button. That's the ID that we have given. And now we're gonna add a onClick listener to this button. So new onClick listener. Inside this onClick method, we will write shortcut badger dot apply count, and the first parameter that it will take is our application context, and the second one is our batch count number that we want to show to the user. That's it. That's all we have to do to show the batch count on our app. Now let's test it. And when we open this app and click this button, and now if you came out of this app, you can see batch count number of 1 on our app. This method will work on almost every devices except for Xiaomi's, because since from the Xiaomi changed the way to show badge by notification, .apply count will not support Xiaomi devices. If you want to support for Xiaomi devices, you have to send notification through it to let shortcut badger help to update the notification to let Xiaomi recognize the batch count. Since the notification rules have changed, we first have to check the Android version. If the Android version is equal to or greater than Android Oreo, we have to create a notification builder. So notification.builder, I'm gonna call it builder equal to notification.builder and pass get application context. And we have to create a notification channel. I'm gonna call it channel equal to new notification channel. The first parameter is the ID. For the notification channel IDs, it is best practice to use the package names. So we're gonna copy and paste our package name here. And the second parameter is name for our notification channel. I'm gonna simply call it an example. And the third parameter is the importance. For that, we're gonna call notification manager importance default. We also need a notification manager. I'm gonna call it manager. Cast it to notification manager. Get system service and pass our notification services. Now we will take our builder object and call dot set channel ID. I'm gonna pass our package name. Set content title. For our notification, I'm gonna title it notification. And we're gonna also set a small icon to it. And we're gonna also set our content text to a dummy text like this is an sample notification. Semicolon. Now we have to build our notification. For that, notification equal to builder.build. It will build our notification here. Now we will take our shortcut badger dot, not this apply count method, this one apply notification method. First parameter is our application context and the second parameter is the notification builder that we have just created. And the last parameter will be the batch count number that we have to show to the user. Now we can finally call our notification manager dot notify first the ID 0, comma, and the for the notification builder our notification object, semicolon. What if our user has a Xiaomi device with less than Android Oreo version? For that we have to create an else statement. And in here we'll write notification compact dot builder, I'm gonna call it builder, is equal to new notification compact dot builder, and we'll pass our application context dot set content text. Just like before, this is an sample notification. And our small icon. Dot set content title notification semicolon. We also need our notification manager. For that we'll copy our previous notification manager and paste it here. Now we need our shortcut badger. For that we are also gonna copy these lines of code here and paste it here. The only difference between these two sets of codes is the notification channel that we have created earlier for the devices which are above Android Oreo. Now we will take our notification manager dot create notification channel and paste our notification channel that we have created earlier. Now if you want to remove the notification batch, all you have to do is call shortcut badger dot remove count and paste the application context. Or you can also pass 0 in the apply count method. Either way you can remove the notification count from your application. Unfortunately guys, I don't have any Xiaomi device to test on it. If you want to implement this, you can implement in this way and you will find the source code of this video in the video description. Thank you guys for watching this video and please let me know how it turned out in your Android device. Take care.